In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a questionnaire, the basics in Google Drive. By the end, you'll have a Google Forms questionnaire created from Google Drive, complete with a clear title and description, the right question types, required fields where needed, an optional theme, and a shareable link or email ready to send. First, open Google Drive in your browser and sign in if you're prompted. You'll see your Drive homepage with folders and files. Next, click New in the top left, then choose Google Forms. A blank Google form opens in a new tab. This is your questionnaire. Now we'll add the title and description. Click where it says Untitled Form. O'Connor's, type the title of your questionnaire and press enter. Just below, click the description area and type a short explanation or instructions for your respondents. But keep it clear so people know what the questionnaire is about and how long it might take. Add your questions. Click the first question field and type your question. On the right side of the question, open the question type menu and choose the format that fits best, such as multiple choice for single selections or short answer for typed responses. If you choose multiple choice, click option 1 and type your first option, press enter to add more, and continue until the choices are complete. To add another question, click the plus icon on the right toolbar and repeat the process. Type the question, pick the type, and fill in any options. Keep your wording simple and specific so answers are consistent. Toggle required for important questions. At the bottom of each question, switch on the required toggle if respondents must answer it before submitting the form. Use this for critical fields like name, email, or any question you cannot analyze without. If you change your mind, you can switch it off later. Customize the theme if you want. At the top, click the theme palette icon. From here, you can pick a header image, choose a color, and select a font style. Keep the design clean so your questionnaire stays easy to read. When you're done, close the theme panel to return to your form. This step is optional and you can adjust at any time. Click send to share your questionnaire. You'll find the send button and in the top right. From here, copy the link or share via email. In the send dialog, click the link tab, then click copy to place the form's URL on your clipboard. You can paste this link into a message, in a document, or anywhere you need to share it. If you prefer email, click the email tab, type the recipient's addresses, add a subject and message, and click send. Choose the method that best fits how your audience will receive the questionnaire. At this point, your questionnaire is set up and ready to go. The title and description are in place. Your questions use the right formats. Important fields are required. The theme is set the way you want, and you've shared the form via link or email. You can continue editing at any time. Changes are saved automatically. Your questionnaire in Google Drive is now created and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.